Why should I buy the NGF 132 sticker? When there is a vehicle accident, the ambulance installed by the government has the number 108 and 102 to give the information. There is a number 100 to inform the police. There is a number 101 for the fire. But there is no number to inform the family members of the person who was hit by the accident. In such cases, we can scan the NGF 132 sticker, which can be useful to send the information to their family members so that they can arrive the spot and they can be quickly moved to the hospital to recover soon. How did you make this NGF 132 sticker? Can this environment bear it? The NGF 132 sticker is made of non-ethanol vinyl material and it is made of water, pollution proof and weather proof. In such a situation, there is no damage. How does a vehicle with the NGF 132 sticker remove it? In some cases, our vehicles are parked by the other vehicles. At such times, they have to wait until they come and see. As soon as they come, the fight begins. In such a situation, this NGF 132 sticker is very useful. You can scan it and notify the owner of the vehicle. You can also scan it for the traffic police and give the information to clear the fight. How long will the NGF 132 sticker protect the personal information of the driver? The NGF 132 app is designed with a security system called SHA-1. Therefore, our personal information will be very safe. Does the NGF 132 sticker have the permission of the Indian government? Where does this app come from? Yes, the NGF 132 sticker is registered with the Indian government and provides the services in 28 states. It has provided the services in Nepal, Sri Lanka, USA, Spain, Hong Kong and Dubai. Does the NGF 132 sticker needs to be recharged? If you can buy the NGF 132 sticker with just 549 rupees, there is no need to recharge it later. You will get lifetime free service. What are the benefits I get by scanning the NGF 132 sticker? If there is a fire in the vehicle due to any reason, if someone is towing the vehicle, if the car lights is on, if the window in the car is opened, if there is a small child in the car, if there is a problem in your car, if the vehicle is parked, if there is any emergency, this app will be very useful and help you. When the other person scans the NGF 132 sticker, he will come to know the information about me, right? Then how? The NGF 132 app keeps the news 100% confidential. By scanning the QR, no person can find out the owner of the vehicle. That is, no one knows our phone number or name. No one knows the details of the vehicle. By scanning, only the notification will be sent to the owner of the vehicle. I forgot my car or bike papers at home. Traffic police are checking the vehicle. Then this NGF 132 QR safety app will help you. According to the Indian Supreme Court, Rule 139 of Central Motor Vehicle Rules CMBR 1989, you can show the vehicle papers digitally. But many times the expiry date is forgotten. I do not know when to file. After storing the paper digitally in this app, even if there is a reminder option, it will be notified in advance through a message. How useful is this? How to scan the NGF 132 sticker? Why did this company make this sticker? What is their intention? The NGF 132 sticker can be scanned with a mobile camera or a Google Lens. Every vehicle owner, regardless of any problem, especially parking problem, toll problem, lights on, windows open, it is very important not to be recognized even if there are small children in the car. When we met an accident, it immediately informed to our family members to get a good hospital ticket and get well soon. This is the main intention of this company. So do not think about 549 rupees. It's definitely going to save your life.